Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this cable here, simplify your life. Alright, it's a pretty long cable. Here is the front. I'm guessing this is one of those cables that I think it charges up to 100 watts. It's pretty thick. It's wrapped here. It has a iPhone charging port, micro USB, and USB-C. So, and it comes with a zip tie or cable tie. So yeah, that is the cable. If you're interested in this cable, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.